One way to get a clean edge on a deck is to picture frame the perimeter. On the demonstration deck in the show village, we used butt joints with a gap to match the field of Deckorators Voyage decking. The gaps are established using the stowaway hidden fastener system. One of the fasteners is used to gap the end of the board, and then a screw is placed atop each joist as the deck board is slid into place. When the deck board's in place, Corey screws it home. That's pretty much it for this part. Place the spacer at the end, place the clips on each joist, slide the board in place, screw it off, and repeat. To get a clean edge, Kim and Corey run all of the decking long and then cut it in place. The end should be cut just shy of the inside face of the outer perimeter frame. They measure for the outer perimeter board and then they use it to draw the cut line. Corey's chalk line didn't make it on the plane down to Las Vegas, so they're scribing it old school. With the line on the boards, Corey plunges the saw into the line and works his way to the other end. This perimeter board will need to be face screwed. To keep the fasteners hidden, they use matching plugs from Starborn. Align the grain in the same direction and then tap it home. With the decking down, it's time to knock out that pre-assembled railing. In this demonstration, it's an ALX contemporary railing in brushed titanium. First, they place the posts where they'll need to be and they mark the base. While Corey lays out the posts, Kim demonstrates some parlor tricks for the crowd.
And we'll see if I can pull it apart. Not sure I can, but we're gonna...
He's cut into the edges of some of the deck boards and he tries to pry them apart to demonstrate how strong the decking is. It is strong.
There she is. Okay, so that's 1.5 inches. Now if I do 2 inches, it'll take me like 4 or 5 tries before I can get it to go. What's that?
The posts will screw down into solid framing. Corey anchors one corner and then re-squares the post before anchoring the next corner. A 2-piece escutcheon plate covers the base. Now, Kim preps the railing section. The end caps screw into the railing and add a 1/2 inch to the railing section so the posts are spaced 6 feet 1 1/8 inches apart. That gives about an 1/8 inch of wiggle room. Under the bottom, he screws a plug for a support block. They place the railing temporarily and mark the spot for the receiving plug, screw it in place, and then plop the railing back into place. After the sections are screwed into the post, there's not much left to do except remove the shipping straps and set the solar-powered post caps into a bed of silicone on top.